Teddy bear picnic. More tea, Lady Piggington. Shilk. Mogo.
Oh, yes, please.
Indeed, Miss Mouse.
Professor Huggy, can we talk about something real for once?
All right. Don't get your triggers in a nest.
What exactly, Chuck Tiggins, would you say was real?
Something physiological.
Physiological?
Yes, physiological.
I think he means philosophical, Miss Mouse.
Yes, that's what I said. Physiological. For example, what came first, the chicken or the egg?
Well, that's obvious. It was the chicken. So you think it was the egg then? Well, my argument is based on philosophical constructs. Chicken's an actual chicken while the egg is a potential chicken. Actuality always precedes potentiality, so the chicken must have come first. What Miss Piggington seems to be suggesting. So of course the chicken came first.
Oh, he said the chicken came first.
Right, I've had enough. I'm going home. Childish innuendos. Next time organise your own bloody physiological picnic.
Drinking my tea. Oh, wow.
Oh no.
She's got drunk.